let me tell you something. I now vote. All when them open the whole country and lift every restriction. I think I ever get some people like that.
Yo, I years never doing this. You think I know them are doing this one? They are treat you like we're slave, like we live in a cave. And when it's election time, they come over with them bag of promises. That's why let me tell you something. I and I now subscribe to them playlists, because Rasta is not careless. Oh.
You not like no. You put up a couple times well. But I told me you love the excitement. What we not realize still, whether green or orange, we not see that change.
Yo, that is why I and I not dealing with Babylon system. None at all. I and I now vote. I want to put a knife I throat like a billy goat.
I see them do it all the time. The MP them run combo and buy up all the vote. And after election, I go see them again.
Oh, money. One thing you can't deny, you know.
What that?
Them go ask this woman, you know. Hey, about 3 times you come for free money, you know. Come on, you never refuse it.
Yo, John, no dimples. You make the Ras feel like I'm gonna cry out. I say it's easy for buy out.
Buy out? No, man. So, Ras, free money I give it, and you don't want me to take it? You're crazy. I care zero.
Well, me never sign up for none. Because I see exactly where they are. You know what I watch the news. And when I notice them ask for a loan for rescue Jamaica and Ukraine. And we they are suffer.
Honey, you watch the news or you listen to the news?
What's that Explorer and the Explorer? Tell me sitting, 7 o'clock news. I watch TV and listen radio. Done.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
So much you want to tell me what me do.
Yo, one, I can't understand. You don't go on like a blind man.
Me not blind. Me just can't see. What that no mean me not see?
What?
Yo, load the man the one. Just load the man the star.
Margie. I mean, Margie back them drink here, man. Them not kill the drink them before them put them in their bottle.
Miss Marjorie! Miss Marjorie! You put me down here, man? I'm raw, you know.
Dimpers. Then how that sound, sir?
Them know me smell sitting here now.
Hello. It means I'm hungry. Hungry. Yeah? And you never smell me yet once when I bother with that.
I smell you all the time. You smell like a rose petal.
Yo, one. You know better.
Everybody don't know petal?
No, what I ask is if you know I and I petal.
So you did own petal? You don't think it's a petal for everybody? You just pick it and sniff it.
What do you mean for everybody? Money, what do you think is the way I say? What you talking about?
Yeah, they pick it and sniff it, they just never near me.
Ras, are you so jumpy? You that brother? He's not talking about your petal, man. He's not talking about flowers in general.
Then, well, if we talk about flowers in general, once you talk about eye petal is a flower blooming every hour and every minute without a limit. Because when Ras roots in it and she skin it out, I feel like a rough neck scout from down there south.
So wait a little bit. You didn't really think say bleach or petal me at all? You tell me that petal face too white that will blind me.
No man, I don't think Punky would that be so
come in at the shop. Me not see Dimples as a thief. And Chris now do them something there. I wonder if a Petal or Ross Rose. What a punky me left in the shop. She's so small.
Marjorie! Me lump of sugar.
Festus, me can't talk to you now.
Margie, what is the matter?
I wonder if me really misplace it.
Misplace what?
You know, I wonder if I disappear, it disappear. The last days of the Bible, you know, it said, two brothers go and feel, and one go disappear. You know, see how good I threw me stop through the tides?
Margie, what are you talking about? You get mad?
Me I go check again because I could have drop it drop.
Margie, tell me if you get off. Make Festus take off.
Festus, me lose some money.
You lose some money? How much so?
40 grand.
That's a lot of money.
You know, I'm 100% sure. Me left it in the brown envelope.
Under your checkbook.
But wait, how come you know about...
I just asked you.
You must have put it affy, but explain to me which part of my money take for walk on.
Margie, you think it's going to take it?
Listen, me don't know if you think right now, Festus.
Margie, I don't think it's funky. She don't say so. Anyway, I hope you catch it up. Listen. No nervous. No say nothing to Punky. No say nothing to her yet. Huh? Listen. I strongly believe that whoever borrowed the money will bring it back to you quite soon.
You read that, Festus? Which thief you know borrow money?
Me look like thief. I don't know nothing. I just shedding some light.
I bet you go up, you know, because you're not helping.
Listen, just don't bring the argument to Punky yet, alright? The child might get upset and get all up in her feelings.
Me will try now, but 40 grand is not monkey money.
40 grand can save somebody from getting it. Punky! Let it be so early.
Auntie, you forgot to learn to pay your bills online, you know? Mr. JP's line long, body long, but no more, it's long, could you take it up?
Listen, me can't deal with modern day technologies.
Auntie, it's not that hard as I think, trust me.
By the way, Punky, nobody strange coming at the shop when me never there Saturday.
No? Why you ask?
She can't find the calculator.
Auntie, see the calculator there at the counter.
I tell you, never look properly.
Festus, go on up no man.
You're always around me.
I choose you now, Auntie. You always do Mr. Festus bad.
Listen, you can stay the pick up fee here.
Auntie, we not pick up female, but no, you're good friend. You all keep money for him. You have to trust him and forget every money for keep us straight.
Punky! Right over long time.
Festus, it's when you give me money for cheap.
You hear that come out of my mouth?
Punky, what you just said?
Mr. Festus, no such a day as you
Make sure talk.
Mr. Festus, all your arms smell, sir.
What have you done? Leave the child out of it. Whoever borrowed the money will soon return it.
You still come back with the foolishness about return money. You got your teeth for return money yet? Just money that? Me missing $40,000. $40,000? Mr. Festus, now you come up here and tell me say you're money and auntie I keep you for your Me can't believe you make Festus come up here come tell them something then.
I never know, auntie. Him come up here come convince me.
You should have called me Punky. I hope him try no. I want back my money with interest. Him too blasted liar conniving.
But Festus is right here. Any old meeting up here, but I know it up to something. Miss Petal, NMK, ease off for the miss now. Petal, but think I true him I telling you, especially when him tell me exactly where the money there. Then you never know say Festus a long time con artist. Con artist? Yeah. What when they call scam and chopper nowadays? Suppose me don't be.
Okay. What about them singing the song so familiar?
Lord Jesus, no. I can't penny that now. Fear back my suburb. What a weeping. Oh, what a weeping. Suppose we don't meet under judgment day. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Good evening, everybody.
Miss Marjorie, can I have a word with you in private, please?
Everything you do, you do it in the public. So why you want to talk to me in a private?
Then here, private. Can you book appointment?
I just come to show my sincere gratitude.
Gratitude for what?
For the money that taking Festus to pay off the rent. I just come to tell you thanks and the Lord bless you.
Then Penny, you believe that?
God always has blessed me. Furthermore, me never give Festus no money. In practically thief it. Thief! My fiancé is no thief.
Auntie, fiancé. Liberty come to carelessness, you know?
God have mercy. You see why I wanted to talk to you in private, Marjorie?
Listen, lady. Just try tell a man, I want the money mountain. And if me don't get it, him nah gonna like it.
See him, so auntie.
Okay.
You're threatening us?
Watch ya! My God, me come out to sit there. So.
Whichever way you want to put it. Yeah? And since you want to get involved, let me repeat. I want the money mountain. And if me not get it, you and your man nah gonna like it.
You need to stop being so bitter.
Hey, woman. Me never get to damage your sister, you know. And it look like me never fix you good. So you come back around too.
Anyway, as God am my witness, I wouldn't pass on no. People that for call me wicked. Hey, better lift up out of Auntie Margie shop and go on, you know.
I don't ready to leave. Is so no plan to leave?
Auntie, what you mean?
Relax, no punky.
What you mean, lady?
It's only called people of push badness, you know. Imagine I come up here in peace just to show my gratitude. And this is only behaving, just pushing war. The Bible said, blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. All I want is a set of warmongers.
You catch man, no man at work. How about that girl? Hey!
Them said, when you see trouble, you should walk far from it. Sister Penny, in the mighty name of God, please to leave my premises.
I want to order something.
Now come on, Jimmy, they want for there. But then like when you watch me for 2 seconds, so then Wednesday. Back to you. All foot Penny. I send them selling up like to send up anti-Margie pressure.
Yes, me friend. Better. street again.
Well, I better use the mic then, no man. Look here, I'm never here.
Public service announcement.
Andrew! Fly the gate. No, we just cross our street. We just start by. We just go from the
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Then wait there. I fly, you fly.
Yo, the rust was nearby. I don't jump out of the sky. Auntie man, go on. Everything good? I don't like how your face, but you look like you're upset. I hope it's not the rust and Dimple's presence make you vex.
No man, Rascal. I just some people.
Yeah.
They look like the devil sent them.
Hear me, I say no. Just tell I who come here, because I ready for trample all serpents, all workers of evil and iniquity. We're ready for trample them in the mighty name of Jah Rastafari.
You more look like the devil and the demon with your buckle and nothing at here.
Come on. Sister Penny, you was a bad girl.
It's me, same one. The one him calling demon and devil.
You know, Sister Penny, really and truly, I really never noticed that it was you. It's the first time I seen you after curfew.
You want to come out of the place?
Is what one?
Auntie, I can't take this no more. Little man thief! Come out of my auntie shop and let me show you out. I'm tired of you not brushing my teeth from my auntie and she's like, oh,
It's who you're talking to, little
you
girl.
I'm talking to, your head dry like, your boobs them lean like Mr. Festus mouth. Hey lady, you better come go on to your teeth in man, you know. Go on to your teeth in man before we report to my station.
No, sir! I think she know only wiry. I never know she has such a fiery.
Okay. You're a bad girl.
You think it's me make Chris no want? You're him up here when your auntie not around?
What? Hey, Penny. If you're a Christian woman, you mix up bad enough.
You know what I'm talking about? Because for your reputation not so wonderful. Your little community.
I would have tell you.
Better. Let I deal with this. Hear me, I say, Sister Penny. Fire! Brimstone and lava. Coming up out of lava. Is what kind of talk that you make? You can't stand my woman them really and call her those names. When you come on to my woman, I don't play those games.
That's why you come up here for.
No.
You have the wig right now, come on, man.
I should have me. Talk to. Be tired of.
Calm down, no, just calm down. Yo, Miss Penny, hear me say, no, just follow what Miss Marjorie say and come go up, man. I don't need to tell Mr. Festus that the other day, no. Just follow suit, man. Come go.
Come out of my shop.
Yes, man.
Sorry, the auntie.
Yes.